I am Vartika and I am an educator by profession. I actually teach subjects in the area of organizational behavior and leadership. As an individual, I am still trying to be on this search of finding what really happiness is. But what I believe is that as educators, we strongly need to understand that today's students become leaders of tomorrow, who then go and lead organizations, they can lead countries. So it's necessary that the seed which we sow in the minds of young achievers or young students, it's very necessary that happiness is something that they live by. Personally, I feel that this boot camp was called as the Happiness Bootcamp, Workplace Happiness Bootcamp. And I can seriously see that there's a connect, because until unless I know my me values or what really is the higher purpose that I'm trying to attain, it would be difficult for me to understand that what is it that the organization wants to do at large. And hence this me value concept, and then how it was binded with the we value concept, and then going ahead and creating happy communities, nurturing lives. And I believe that's something that as students of today and as this generation which is of millennials, they need to understand that only then when you realize that what's your higher purpose, you see the connectedness coming very clearly. So then the elusive search somehow stops somewhere, and then you start espousing those values and live by it. So I believe one word which can sum this experience would be awesome, and that's something that is being used again and again, and we have really understood that how Zappos became what Zappos is today. So delivering that wow for the customers, for your employees, for all the stakeholders of the organization is very necessary. So I would say that if you have not been a part of this boot camp, you are really losing out on something. So please see how you can use these learnings, and I am actually benefited a lot, and I would try and see that how I can inculcate this in my students so that they become the ambassadors of happiness for tomorrow. Thank you.